Okay, so I heard you say FHA is 3.5% down, a USDA could be 0% down, but both have PMI. Talk to me about PMI. What does that even mean?
Yep.
And why do I need that?
Private mortgage insurance is what PMI is, okay? So it is not insurance that covers your property. It does not cover you. It is scheduled, or it is in your monthly payment as a protection for your failure to pay. It's not going to come in and save you if you're behind. What it's going to do is it establishes an insurance, basically a book of insurance for folks who do not make their mortgage payments and foreclose on a home. That comes in and hopefully fills the gap for banks who are willing to buy those zero down loans. They're riskier loans. If you think about it, if you're not putting anything into it, they look at that and they say the risk is higher for non-payment. So the PMI really is just established as an insurance book of insurance to basically cover those who do not make their payments, and the banks don't want to go in the red on those. Foreclosures, what happens. It typically does not come in at the price or the value. So that PMI is there to help banks want to hold those loans.
So just a cost
and
to
so it
secure
has to,
that loan.
And so that is why the risk is there, the risk structure is there when they quote PMI. So we'll get into that a little bit later on conventional, but that is why they charge you that fixed rate, so that it is established for you. It's not going to go up for you or down. It's going to stay the same, and consistency is key when it comes to making their mortgage payments. They're fixed rates. They're fixed PMI. It is not going to change their payment. So that is why we have to do a really good job up front, making sure that that payment works for them. So that there's not going to be a non-payment issue. But yeah, that's what it's there for. If you have 20% down, you pay no PMI. So there is a way to get out of PMI. But those two loan products, if you're in those loan products, it's because you don't have 20% down.
I understand.